In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Meet profile picture. Whether you're looking to freshen up your online meetings with a new photo, or simply need to update your profile with something a bit more current, I've got you covered. And the best part, it's an easy, straightforward process that will take no more than 5 minutes of your time. First, let's dive right into the process by heading over to Google Meet. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile photo staring back at you. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on your profile photo, a new option will pop up titled Manage Your Google Account. Clicking this will take you away from Google Meet and into the heart of your Google account settings. It's the command center for all things related to your Google presence. Now that you're in your Google account settings, the next step is to click on your photo. You might notice that this portal gives you access to a wide range of settings and preferences. However, for today's purpose, we're just focusing on updating that profile picture. When you click on your photo, you'll see an option to change your profile picture. Click on that, and let's move to the fun part. Here comes the creative bit, choosing your new photo. You can pick any photo stored on your device. This is your chance to express yourself, whether it's a professional headshot for work meetings or something more casual for family catch-ups. Once you've selected the perfect image from your device, it's time to fine-tune your choice. After you've chosen your photo, you'll need to click on Next. This will give you a preview of how your new profile picture will appear across Google services. It's your last checkpoint to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Finally, if you're happy with how your new photo looks, click on Save as Profile Picture. And voila! You've successfully updated your Google Meet profile picture. You'll now see this new picture across all Google services, providing a consistent identity in all your online interactions. Just a quick tip before we wrap up, remember to choose a picture that clearly shows your face if you're using this account for professional purposes. It helps people recognize you in meetings, making for smoother, more personable interactions. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change your Google Meet profile picture, a simple yet effective way to keep your online identity fresh and up to date. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and tricks.